Okay, I think I'm audible. Let's try to check my stream if I'm audible to others or not. Let's try to um, pause the screen capture. Okay, am I audible? Okay, am I audible? Okay, good, good. So I'm able to hear my sound. Okay. Okay. So I want to uh, talk about the agenda of today's stream. As you can see from from the title, that I want to talk about my life updates and how while doing it, and I want to try to complete the challenge that is still left. But before going on to the challenge, I want to talk about my life update. I mean, what is going on my life. I'm sorry, in my life, and why I'm lacking the motivation to code every day. If I may be honest, I sometimes feel like I can do a lot of things, but at some other time, I may feel like I could not able to read a paragraph or focus on one thing for at least 10-20 minutes. Sometimes I feel like that, and these are the days that I feel this way. So the reason is that uh, why I am lacking this discipline. It is because I am not habitual to this routine, and I also have a high expectation from my life. That's why I always try to set goals which are very difficult to achieve, which are not realistic, I may say. As I have set the goal to complete the learning JavaScript from the course, which I haven't been able to do it. So actually, I've been truly disappointed in myself, and I should not behave like the child who had failed and gave up on his life. But I'm acknowledging this kind of thoughts that go through my mind uh, most these days. These are all personal things. Since I want to be honest with you all, that's why I'm talking about my current state. I'm really lacking my health. I'm not sleeping on time, and there is no fixed time on when I wake up. I do during the day. I only watch means social media. I most of the time I use social media intensely. Apart from that, even when I try to solve a problem, as I was trying to solve the article preview component, I was struggling with the motivation to even work on that challenge, and even on streams also. Although since my mic is off, you may not know, but sometimes I'm not that focused during the streams. While doing the challenge also, I try to look at the timer and see how means when will the timer will hit, so that I will stop working on the challenge and somehow end the session. Hope my audio is audible to you all. Just let's just ignore the background noises. What I was saying that I should really um, be following this path or the structure that I have decided to follow, and for doing that, I will try everything that is possible to follow it every day. The main thing is that my focus has not been that good these days. I don't know what may be the reason. Really, I need to maybe change my schedule and focus more on my health so that I can get things done. So, yeah, talking about it won't solve anything. I just have to stay on my words and try to implement the things which will actually change my life. So, the number one priority from now on will be towards my health, and second will be towards my career. So, these two things I will try to focus on every day. So, I will try to not try, I will do it. I will do more of exercising and working on my body as well as on my mind. I will try to do meditation and all. So yeah, that's all about the updates I want to give about my life. Although they are not as exciting, I just wanted to share my thoughts with you and what is going on in my mind. See, from tomorrow onwards, there will be a next level of consistency. I will try to bring more energy into the streams, not only with my communication. There will be there won't be that communication much, but you can see it in the focus and the intensity of the work that I will do in the streams. Yeah, and let's try to work on a challenge which has been pending for so long. So let's try to solve this problem. So where I was stuck. So this is the file that we have already created. Let's again open with the live server. It looks it doesn't look at all promising or near like this as close. It doesn't look close enough to our design, but let's start with what we have got. So what I was trying was I was trying to get this As you can see this orange color background, this is our this contains all our sharing icons that we will be able to see when we click on this button. So let's first try to make this work. Let's just focus on that only, and after that we will focus on more things, but let's just focus on that only. Okay, so it should work when it should show here only when we click on the button, on the share button. Okay, let's try to do it. So by default it should be display none, but when we click on the button we should add a class so that becomes it changes the display none to the block. Okay, where is the component? So this one we are talking about this section, social container. So this one is social container. First of all, we need to fix the HTML a bit. So why there is social container? It is showing only this one only button. So this is the container. This is the section with class the share CTA. So let's see why my button is this large. So as we can see that we only want a button of this much size. So let's change the grid column. Share city. Let's see what we have got in the share city. So this one is 1, 2. Okay, so we have got two things. We have got profile details. Okay, we have got profile details. Okay, it is looking better now. Let's change the size of these buttons and these icons. Let's see how to change the size of these icons. So why can't we change the size of this button? We can change it, but it's not looking good. Okay, okay, let's focus on making it only so when we click on this button. So share button, right? Let's try to get the share button. Yeah. Social links, it is the class, right? Social links. Okay, yes. Social links is the class we are looking for. No. So how do we show it? Should we add it through the JavaScript? Okay, let's add it through JavaScript. But at least leave the container here. Const social icons. So let's see what is happening. Okay, argument one is not an object. Note that append child. Argument one is not an object. Okay, okay. Let's see the DOM creating HTML. I think so. This one. Let's go through it quickly. Create. Okay, this one is telling about another thing. Inner HTML, I think so. Maybe inner HTML will work. Social links dot inner HTML, I think so. Okay, it's working. So I don't know why did I close the Figma. So it's working. So okay, I want this to appear on the right side and just above the image. So what are the stylists that we have gave it? Okay, it is on the right side now, but we also want a cross button at the top, which enables us to close this link. I mean, this all icons, we will be able to close them. So our JavaScript had become rusty because I'm not able to remember how I used to do things. I have worked on the DOM manipulation part before. Probably maybe it was like 1 year ago. I did study JavaScript at that time, or I mean to say that I have implemented the DOM manipulation part. Maybe that's why it is. That's why maybe I'm not able to remember anything. Okay, let's get this button and let's see, is it visible? Yes, it is visible. As soon as I click this button, we want to close this. We want to add the display none class to it. Okay, can we add a event in here on close dot. Let's see if we can get the button. No, we aren't able to get it. Why is it like that? So we're trying to get it from the document, but since it's in our we are generating the HTML content from the JavaScript. That's why maybe we are not able to get this close button or any of the thing that we have in here. Okay, let's see. Can we add styling to this or not? Okay, dot close. Okay, we can add it. So we want to make it transparent. None. Okay, let's see how to add means how to add not styling, how to add interactive to the elements that we have added from the JavaScript. Okay, let's open ChatGPT. How to add interaction. Okay, how to manipulate DOM element which has been created from JS using DOM manipulation. or or add functionality to suppose I had a button created in the JS. And I want to add an event listener to it. So maybe we had to append the element to the social links. I think so. Let's try. Should we do it in here only? I don't think so. Mm, Append child. Okay, let's see if will it work. Not in object. dot add event listener, click function, close button is null. Okay, yeah. Got it, got it. Right. If we are not able to access it since then it would be null only. Then how we will be able to add the event listener on null value? So it is showing error. So so we will try to look at the functionality tomorrow. Uh, from tomorrow onwards, I will truly start in the early hour. That is at 10 around 10 a.m. I will start the stream. Although I won't be talking that much, but I will try to give my best in solving the challenges and all. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. The session was nothing that much. We didn't uh, do anything that much, but still, since I wanted to not break my 90 days challenge, that's why I had to do this. I almost forgot to stream today, since I got to know about it this late. Still, I tried to do my best, and tomorrow I will make sure that I will start the stream early so that I won't forget it. So yeah, bye. That's it for today, guys. Let's meet again. What is tomorrow? Yeah, on Sunday, which will be our day 10.